Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Warda Iqbal, and today we are going to learn about essay writing. And here we are going to discuss about some basic tips on essay writing. And without further go, let's get started. What is an essay? Essay is writing that analyze or evaluate topic or issue. This is a simple definition of essay. If we are talking about essay writing types, so there are four main types of essay writing. The first one is argumentative, the second is narrative, the third is expository, and the fourth is descriptive. Now coming back to the definition, that essay writing is a writing that analyze or evaluate topic or issue. Any topic which you are going to select are about to write, you need to analyze, you need to evaluate that topic, and for that it will help you out in your writing. So this is a simple definition of essay writing. Now, what is the structure of an essay? A basic essay structure, and if we talk about any basic essay, so it consists of three main parts. And what is the first part? If we are talking about the first part, so first is the introduction of an essay, then the middle section or main body paragraphs, and the conclusion. So these are the three main parts of any basic essay structure. Now let's talk about that. What is an introduction of any essay? So introduction basically presents your topic. Whatever you are talking about, means whatever any topic you have selected, so it basically presents your topic. So present your topic, and it provides the background of your topic, or it gives your thesis statement. So this is the short, actually means the intro of any introduction. And if we are talking about the middle section, so what is a middle section? The middle section basically is a core argument and analysis. It presents evidence, and it actually discusses one main point per paragraph, and then all paragraphs of the middle section related to your thesis, means to say whatever you have talked about in your introduction and whatever is your thesis, so the all paragraphs is related to your thesis. So this is actually the middle section. Now the conclusion. Conclusion is basically comes in the end of an essay, or it actually ties together your main points, and it shows why your arguments matter. So this is the short introduction of the conclusion. Now the introduction. Now we will talk about an introduction. Many students ask me that how to write a good intro. So if you are talking about a good introduction, so a good introduction always grab the attention of its reader. Whatever you are writing, whatever you have selected the topic, so it is very necessary that if you have started in a very good way, so it will always grab the attention of your reader. And what could be the second point of a good introduction? That whatever the topic you have selected, you must give some background. And the third one is that you have to present your thesis. This is the central point of your essay. Now what is thesis? Thesis usually sum up the central point of your essay. It usually comes near the end of the sentence. So this is all about a good introduction. Now how to write an essay? Many students find it difficult at how to write an essay. Means there are so many ideas popping up in our mind, and we are thinking about it, what we are going to write. So the most important thing is that whatever you are writing something, you have to start with a plan. Plan means you have to think about your topic first, that what could be your topic, and then whatever is the topic. For instance, you have selected Eid day or Eid al Fitr or Eid al Adha, so you have selected a specific topic. After that, you have whatever the points coming in your mind regarding Eid al Adha, so you have to write down the points on a piece of paper without thinking about it, that what am I writing, and there are so many grammatical mistakes. It's okay, because you are actually just gathering your points. What do you know about it? Then, after writing this, this is also a good idea, that before writing the introduction or conclusion, you have to start with the middle section first. So you have to write down the middle section first. And then when you write down the middle section, then you will write down the conclusion and introduction after the main body of an essay. So this is how you have to write down an essay. And now there are more other ways of essay writing process, and this is an organized way, that whenever you are started writing something, so first the preparation means that what is your essay topic. So whatever the topic you have selected, as I have told you that you have selected the topic, for example, you have selected the topic like means Eid in Canada. This is the topic you have selected. So what you need to do, you have to do some research, and then after research you have to create an outline. So this is the first thing. In preparation you have done it. Now the writing process, preparation, obviously this is the planning, that this is my topic, then I'm going to research about my topic, that what could be or how people celebrate Eid in Canada. Now the writing process. In the writing process, you have to do, or you have to introduce the introduction first, then your main body and the conclusion. And then in the writing process, then you have to revise the content of each paragraph. Whatever you have written, this is your rough draft, so you are now going to revise the content of each paragraph, means the introduction, the main body, the conclusion. And then you have to proofread for language errors. In that section you have to check out that whatever the grammatical mistakes you have done, whatever the sentences you have written wrong, you will do the correction in this part. So this is how the essay writing process, and this is how we will basically write an essay. Okay, there is another method. I think mostly in class I have introduced that how to brainstorm about any topic. So this is actually a very easy idea or method that we are following in school, and this is the best one, that whatever the topic you have selected, first we have to brainstorm about the topic. So let's see. Okay, oh, this is a sample one. I have chosen Ramadan, and now my topic is Ramadan. And when I'm going to brainstorm about the topic, you simply have to make a web in your journal, in your copies, or whatever you are using. So the first question comes in your mind, that what is Ramadan, and the second question, that what we do in Ramadan, then the benefits of fasting, then the importance of Ramadan, our routine and time, Ramadan and its impact on us, and the reward time. So this is how the brainstorm regarding any topic through questions will make it easy for you to write it down. And just remember and keep in mind that whatever the introduction, for example, what is Ramadan, in this part you have to discuss about, as I have told you about, earlier, that how to write an introduction. What you need to write, that obviously you have to talk about the introduction, and introduction is basically could be brief, and we have to introduce a background of Ramadan and what is Ramadan. So you have to talk about only 2 or 3 sentences, or maybe 4 or 5 sentences, but not more. Then your main body, in that main body you have to discuss about Ramadan in detail, that what we do in Ramadan and what are the benefits of fasting. So in these paragraph, maybe 2, 3, or 4, you have to discuss in detail one point in every paragraph. Then the importance of Ramadan and our routine and time in Ramadan. This is all the main body you are covering here, and the main section you are covering here. And in the end, what you are going to discuss, that Ramadan and its impact on us, means here you have to form your thought also. You have to give your opinion, because this is the conclusion. The whole Ramadan, that what is an impact of Ramadan on us. So you have to write about it. And now it's the reward time. Reward time means, obviously, in Ramadan, we the next day when the Ramadan is going to end, or Ramadan will end, so the next day we have the Eid celebration. So this is how you have to brainstorm about, or you have to means talk about any topic, or before planning to write about any essay, you have to brainstorm your mind. Means you have to make a web in your journal or copy, and then you have to discuss through questions. You have to form questions in your mind, and forming a question in your mind, like in the introduction part, in the main body part, and the conclusion part, is very important. It will make your writing easy. So this is how you can write down the basic essay, and I hope that it will be easy for you. Okay, now this is all about essay writing, the basic essay writing topic of today, and I hope that you will understand very well, and just start writing an essay, and hope you have a good day today. Stay safe and stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.